Hey you guys, my name is Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, today we are unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you want to see me unbox this and get it set up, then stay tuned. Okay, I haven't looked in this at all. I haven't opened it up. I actually washed my hands before I started. So I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling. Okay, so this is what it looks like right out of the box. I'm gonna pull this up actually. So this is what my phone looks like. It has gold on the rim. It has like a light gold back. The camera system looks very complicated, and it has a flat face that has practically whole screen, like the whole face is just screen. There's barely any bezel whatsoever. So in the box you have your instructions. You also have a charging cable. So I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to put on some of the accessories that I bought for it. I bought a simple clear case that I picked up at the mall for $15. This is what the case looks like. It's pretty simple. I got this tempered glass from the T-Mobile store. It was $40 and it came in this packaging. I believe it only came with one. Initially, you place the phone in the tray and you have the tempered glass here. It also came with an alcohol wipe. I'm going to use the dust grabber or dust remover to remove any dust. Now I'm going to remove the device by pushing through the hole right here. So this is what the iPhone looks like in the case. It has the screen protector on as well. Okay, so I'm just going to select the language. I'm going to click English, United States, and I'm going to click Setup Manually. I'm not going to set up Wi-Fi right now. And it just says it may take a few minutes to activate. Okay. So that pretty much sums up my iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. Everything is all set up on my phone. I have transferred everything over to my new phone and I have erased everything on my 8 Plus. So it's kind of a huge upgrade in comparison. Like the camera on here is like absolutely incredible compared to what I was dealing with before. But I'm super excited to start using this phone. The only thing that I was worried about was the fact that we didn't receive a brick in the box. So I was worried about charging it, but it seems that you can use your old charger as long as it's the matching brick and wire. So that's perfect for me. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from me, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Have you bought into the iPhone 12 Pro Max? What kind of phone do you use? Are you more of an Android person or an iPhone person? Let me know down in the comment box. Bye!